we want to also give you access to homes that are off market. Sometimes people want to sell a home and they don't want it to be public. They don't want a sign in the yard, they don't want showings and open houses and the whole nine. Or maybe they just want it to be very discreet. Maybe they're going through a life event and they don't want everybody in the neighborhood to know about it. So a lot of times we have these deals that we call off market, or sometimes they're referred to as pocket listings. In addition, we've been the top team in San Diego for 7 years in a row. And the beautiful part about that is that we list more homes in San Diego than virtually anybody. And so what's great is our team, as we are listing new homes, a lot of times we can tell you about those homes before they actually hit the market, so you can get early access to them. To learn more about our VIP buyer program, you can call us or text us at the number down below. Connect with our team. We can tell you all the details and all the other new stuff we're adding to this program, because as I mentioned, we obsess over providing this experience and always adding more and more things to the list. Reach out to us at the number down below. We look forward to connecting with you. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group. Thanks for tuning in.